Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about DGLY and SGLY. Two stocks going down to a major discount right now. Both of these stocks being oversold are starting to come in for a recovery. DGLY went way under oversold, so this could have a massive reversal, but SGLY is getting loaded with a huge amount of extra large orders. We're going to dive a bit deeper into both of these, and we'll talk a little bit later about these as well as we keep these things updated. There are a few other stocks you might want to be watching as well. If we get some time, I'll point those out. Here we got SGL. In fact, let's go with DGLY first. Digital Ally, as they've gone to check this out. So, going back to your quarterly chart, DGLY from the highs of let's say almost $1 million, they probably did some reverse splits in the past to make their price look that high, but still ultimately going down to a big discount of what is right now, what was 17 cents. They've been reversing from that 17 cents all the way up to the highs of 32 cents. Now, this is just the beginning. They were doing this reversal just yesterday, beginning slowing up, gearing up slowly. And then towards the after hours, they would come in for the explosion. Of course, day traders will sell off, get in for the next round. Down from this bottom, it's going to get massive loading as more eyes get on a DGLY from the bottom. You know, those were just the first quick rounds. If you aren't already in there, or if you didn't already catch those first rounds, or even if you did catch those first rounds and locking gains, you know, lucky to see that it did go back down to this discount that it's making right now and building good support here, showing signs of strength with a value of 117 million. 1.17 million, getting over an average volume of 567,000 and a free float of 7.58 million. It's going to fill that float. It's going to feel that flow today, especially if the markets come in for more bullishness, and the markets are primed and projected to come in for more bullishness. Not only the stock markets, but also the crypto markets across the board. And this is following up from yesterday, where keep in mind, you had more bullishness than bearishness with about 4,141 advances. You had about 2,100 decliners that were already buying everything up. There will be some people looking to get some quick rounds of puts once everybody gets up and then the news gets to putting out the bullish news here and all the that's going on there around like 9:30, then the markets reverse and things will probably just start to remain bullish for the rest of the day. But anything can change fast. You know how I go. Here you got DGLY. Over on your Moomoo Investor platforms, we can see in current time what's going on, and we see we got extra larges that are going out. They want to hold this back. You know, you got shorts who want to come back in for another short selling time. Look at your daily short volume. Yesterday, since it's been exploding, they want to come in for trying to push it back down. You know, shorts love to be holding the stock down. They don't want to see it come in for that squeeze. So all they can do is add in stronger to their shorts to stop that thing from coming in for that move. We can see on DGLY some related stocks actually here. So some stocks that you might even be familiar with. You got like ASST at the top of this list right now. You remember ASST for sure. Check this one out. ASST down here towards 70 cents. Like you know this stock. Look at them. They another stock that's getting bullish the same time around DGLY, another related stock. For those of you who don't know what DGLY is, this is a tech equipment company engaged in a video solution technology, human and animal health protection products, healthcare revenue cycle management, ticket brokering and marketing, event production, and jet chartering. DGLY. This company now produces and sells digital video, image storage, and disinfectant and related safety products for use in law enforcement, security, and commercial applications. Was founded in 2024 in Kansas, and they operate three segments. They video solutions offers in-car digital video mirror systems for law enforcement, in-car digital video event recorder systems for commercial fleets, and body-worn digital video system for law enforcement and private security. They revenue cycle management provides working capital and back office services, including insurance and benefit verification, medical treatment documentation and coding and collections to healthcare organizations. And entertainment operates TicketSmarter.com, an online ticketing marketplace for ticket sales, partnerships, and ticket resale services for live events. Very diversified there. All of that stuff was pretty much completely different. Wasn't expecting it. And a recent developments are Thermovoo, a non-contact third temperature screening instrument that measures temperature through the wrist and controls entry to facilities when temperature measures exceed predetermined parameters. And Shield Disinfectants provides disinfectants and cleansers as well as personal protective equipment and supplies such as masks, gloves, disposable wipes, and electrostatic sprayers. They stock performance. As of the latest data, Digital Ally stock price is around 22 cents, which is very accurate and up to date. This Copilot is, ChatGPT and that DeepSeek over there we have and the price of all of them. I would have said this thing was at $23. With a market right now, with a market cap of approximately $1.30, 1.33 million. The stock has experienced significant fluctuations over the past year, with the 52 range of 21 cents and $3.29. And we see right now this thing holding up over that 22 cents right now. And they already been coming in for some rounds of bulls. Just not everybody notices this, but it's good that they don't. It's good that everybody don't notice it because of, 52-week low, man. Got the chance to get up in there before to fill up that float down at the bottom. Let's go see DGLY, daily chart on Moomoo. Because you'll be able to easily see if it got that gap to fill. Not really. I ain't really got a gap, not necessarily a gap to fill out here. But nonetheless, though, oh, this is the wrong stock. DGLY. I'm looking at AST. ASST is going to be a hot one, too. We're going to look into that a little bit because you see ASST getting a little more bullish while DGLY is. And if you want to know any other related stocks to DGLY, yeah, there's a whole list of them. This list isn't too big. It is a pretty big list still. But maybe you find one that's for you. If you want me to update any of them, just let me know whatever you come up with, all that good stuff like that. Now's the time for DGLY. Let's go back and see ASST while we're here. So they got extra larges coming in, larges coming in. They already getting bullish right now on ASST. A decent spike up today. What does this one do? They do the same thing. This is a tech company providing social media marketing, management, and content delivery across Discord, TikTok, Instagram, X, YouTube, and other social media platforms. The company also designs, develops, and manages servers for communities on Discord. Its services include Discord investment, education, and entertainment, social media and marketing, and AE.360.DDM brand. It also offers Tonary V2, a cloud-based subscription management and payment processing solution for Discord communities, which includes a suite of customer relations management tools and Stripe verified payment processing. The company's Discord investment, education, and entertainment service is designed primarily by and for Generation Z, or retail investors, creators, and influencers. The company's services are focused on stock, real estate, cryptocurrency, and NFT community. Learning programs. It's AE.360.DDM is a suite of services to individuals and companies seeking to create a server on Discord. This video wasn't even about ASST, but I gotta see more now. That was just interesting right there. It just for the fact that every single thing that we into was just all in that one briefing right there, quite literally. Is this all it is? They don't let me scroll or nothing? Let me see. I guess. You can't really scroll or nothing. But that's cool though. That's cool. We'll look further into them. We'll come back around to that. They get them bullish right now. They get them bullish. They not about to stop. This gonna be a super move. How long they been out? Since 2023? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, well, but let's talk about this other one though. Let me see. This is about SGLY. I mean, ASST looking better than both of these right now, but ASGLY they went from 65 cents all the way up to about $1.50. Now they are holding up here around this dollar range. This dollar range, as you know, is compliance level. They've been up here for 1, 2, almost 3 days. They gotta hold up here for about 7 more days to be back up into compliance. And when big wells really like this just a little bit more, this thing's gonna explode. They're not gonna stop at $1.70 resistance. They're not gonna stop at that $1.65 resistance because the SGLY has the ridiculously insane amount of extra larges already coming in. That's gonna reflect and affect the markets. Oh, the stock. It's only a penny stock, That's gonna affect the stock when this thing's opened up. Singularity, Future Technology, another tech stock. Let's see more about SGLY. Oh, tell me uh, about SGLY stock. And while it's doing that, let's go look at their balance sheet because it's an increasing balance sheet here on SGLY. They Q5 2025 Q1 just came out. When that come out? When was that? Today? Yesterday? Either way, it's positive though. Either way, that's increasing and that's positive. That's cool right there. And then you can go see your order flow. I'll just show you order flow in there, but it's all gonna update. Like nobody is noticing this just yet, so it's not really having no volume. We got 4,000 in value. This is like super under the radar right now on SGLY. This is a company listed on the Nasdaq. Tell me about Singularity. And look, that price is very accurate. That's cool. Singularity company. You can use this too on your computer. I'm pretty sure it's called the Copilot. It's probably like already installed. You got an HP, I think, but I didn't install this just here. But this is much more accurate and up to date than that ChatGPT over there. But ChatGPT does still do a lot more like work. It's like it does better thinking and stuff like that. But so, Singularity is a NASDAQ listed company focused on creating eco friendly shipping solutions. Industry integrated freight logistics, headquarters, New York, services, transportation, warehouse collections, last mile delivery, drop shipping, custom clearance, overseas transit delivery, and shipping and freight logistics. They say that they pretty much quite literally do it all and they aim to unlock potential of renewable energy sources, solar, hydro, and wind in the shipping industry. That's something that's major right there, right? Warehouse location is in Texas, and they got a history founded in 2021, formerly known as the Cino Global Shipping America (LDT) until January 2022. Tell me all their last catalysts and partnerships with dates. With dates. Recent catalyst. They got a Bitcoin mining joint venture. Yeah, I swear, every time we turn around somewhere to another company, it's all about them getting more into Bitcoin mining. I'm looking to upgrade my Bitcoin miner. And Singularity Future Technology formed a joint venture with Golden Main Lane Incorporated to build a total of 1 GW of Bitcoin mining sites in Texas, Ohio, and other states. This venture aims to support up to 300,000 Bitcoin miners. It's insane. They did a name change to Sino to Singularity. And they partnerships. That Bitcoin miner partnerships, Singularity owns 51% of that joint venture. That's good to know. That's crazy. And a non-liner ship owners. Singularity has strong partnerships with non-liner ship owners globally, enhancing their global transportation capabilities. I don't know what a non-liner ship is, so if anybody who else doesn't, we can find it or knows what it looks like. We can just go see a non-liner ship. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, that Bitcoin mining is right there is what make all the big difference. It's crazy. Everywhere we look, it's another thing about a Bitcoin miner somewhere. But let's see, non-liner ship logistics, and they got big competition. I guess this not just the only stock. Like, look, watch this on SGLY. Look at they related stocks. It's a lot of these. I was looking at this earlier. I'm like, okay, maybe I should update some of these. I'm like, man, it's a whole bunch of these now. I mean, it's not as many as it is for AIs, I guess. But I remember like a long time ago. It's like 2 years ago. There we're coming down to logistics and we're coming down to transportation specifically. I forgot exactly what stocks these were, but they were getting messed up by shipping routes. This is probably really irrelevant now, but by shipping routes all across the Red Sea. I was saying it was pirates and stuff like that. I like that who they say that they will stop attacking U.S. and UK vessels in the Red Sea area. It's still going on. Yeah, it's still going. Like I said, I was talking about something that happened like 2 years ago. It's still going. I guess it never really stopped. But yeah, those seas out there is crazy. But yeah, man, these two stocks and ASST. Now we finna go have to dive deeper into. Get subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of that. You'll be able to see when I'm putting out the alerts along in the Discord. You can always join us in our live trading classroom where we are doing our live trading together all day. If you are brand new to Discord, stock alerts, and the markets and whatnot, it's very simple. It's very simple. What you want to do is just find once you find the app you like to use, you want to pick what your favorite coach is you like to follow along in, and you want to figure out what your favorite strategy is to make you feel most comfortable. After that, you want to just figure out how much money you like to use, and you're not gonna understand any of that because you don't understand no goals. So you're gonna stick to a 7 to 15% all along the way until you do feel more comfortable to add in more amounts of money and stretch things further. Went into it, but I'm Billy Banks. I'll see you later in. Happy trading.